Welcome. Let's move for mobility and for cardio today. Oh, I'm feeling extra great. That crow is maybe not too happy about us being here, but let's just see how it goes. Gentle twist to begin. Start to raise your heel up off the ground. I think you get as mobile as possible today. Get our heart rate up a little bit. So modify as always. Do what suits you best. Oh. Okay. Lateral movements. Shuffle to the side. Hopefully you have a bit of space. If not, you can just do this. But just make it work for you. But these lateral movements are so great for building different stabilizing muscles, aiding in mobility. We want to move dynamically throughout our days with ease and strength and all that good stuff. But you know what it's like. You know what I say. You know how I sing when I'm feeling good. And I will stop apologizing for it. I know how many of you love it. Okay, come back to the middle. And we're going to step jack to the side. It's more of a side jack. And this is one where it can be done really slow. You can pick up the pace. But one thing I might ask is bring your hand behind your head as we are focusing on a bit of mobility today. So you bring that hand back, you're going to feel that in the upper back and the shoulders. And you just go at your pace, tap your toe. Oh, we've been blessed with crazy sunny weather the last few days. I don't know what's going on. Snow is coming. You'll get some sessions in the snow very soon. Oh, okay. Lovely. Move around your space. Bring your knee up. Hands together. And this looks very different for each of us. But I do invite a little bit of backwards walking. Whew. And try to get out on uneven surfaces. It's so great for core stability, helping us to balance. Now, bring those arms up a little bit more. Feel that in the shoulders, in the upper back. Oh, yeah. Excellent. Okay, tap the heel, open your chest. Think of any one of these movements. Know that you can do it throughout your day. 30 seconds, 1 minute of movement can change everything. Oh, birds are out. Oh, it's so glorious. Thank you, Mother Nature. Ooh, really open up. Bring your shoulder blades together. Lean back a little bit. Feel that. You got to engage your core. Ooh, yeah. Excellent. Oh, okay. Jump a little, please. This is for building bone density. If you don't have a jump, you can come up onto the balls of your feet and come down with just a little bit of impact on your heels. But if you can jump, a little bounce, maybe do it a couple times, build up to it. There is so profound evidence that how great jumping is for us. If you got a rebounder, amazing lymphatic pump, getting oxygen, blood flowing through the body. Incredible. And if you can, let's go a little side to side. You can grab your ski poles. Get ready for the snow. And you could just be stepping and turning your body if the jump doesn't work for you. As always, you just choose what's best for you. Oh, okay. Let's get our equipment back and working again. Wonderful. Oh, okay. A gentle side skip. Bring the hands down. Playful. Let's get that back. Feeling bendy, stretchy, healthy, happy. Ooh, yeah. If you need to stop, take a break. Hey, we're all at different spaces, different places. I am just feeling nice and frisky, spicy. This is a spicy session. I like that. Okay, one more here. So nice. Big arm circles. Come up onto the balls of your feet. Mobility in the ankles, core stability, obviously. Shoulder mobility. Do your best. And when you're ready, we're gonna reverse. You know what that means. Come onto your heels. It's a little trickier possibly. It is. Just do your best. Appreciate the challenge. Okay, one more as I fall, no problem. Nice. Now, nice side skip, reach. Get playful with your arms. Just make circles. This is an opportunity. Wow. Look at me. I'm moving my body. I show up for myself every day. Maybe think of some kung fu here. There's a kung fu master in each one of us. There's an athlete in there. Nicely done. One more here. Circle the arm, squat down. Big circle, come on down. Narrow your stance a bit so you feel that in your ankles. Continue to build that amazing mobility. Look to the sky. Feel it in your neck. I do love the Qigong, Tai Chi, slower sessions. Getting the heart rate up certainly does boost my mood more than anything. To each his own. One more here. Give yourself some hugs. Move around your space still. Left arm over top, right arm over top. Get your hands far back there as you can. Now begin to walk backwards, please, and forwards. Daily reminder, evening walk, aids in digestion, increases quality of sleep. Great for the mind. Connect to nature no matter what the weather. Let's take one last moment together. Maybe you can see the sea. There's actually a little pond there too, a tree, laser-like attention. We're just practicing concentration, focus. So we don't get distracted because we have so many distractions, and when you can pay attention, everything gets so much better. I'm gonna just do a gentle shift of body weight, pick my spot, join me. Just notice when the mind wanders and bring it back to your spot. Let's go. I am warm. I hope you feel great. Let me know. Keep the comments coming. Post something in discussion. Help to grow this community so we can get to more people just like you. Continue to thrive, inspire others to move more so that we can move more. God bless. See you tomorrow.